the Tech Opportunity Summit that we have at the Microsoft ADC is a culmination of all that work, over 1,000 hours of training, equally as much time of mentoring. Over 300 young people have been trained across the country in those 4 locations. And the goal is to think about inclusiveness at the workplace by not separating persons with disability and those without.
With the summit, we partnered with Amref and with the American Spaces because they also have a lot of programs that focus on youth empowerment. Empowering the youth is big for Microsoft, and that's where we come in to really see how we can really positively impact young people and their career choices.
The Tech Opportunities Summit is a platform that has been created by Amref together with other partners.
We co-create with young people to understand what their expectations of the workforce look like.
We also train them on tech skills, digital skills, career skills, social media and marketing skills. We also train them on mental health and physical health.
Learning never stops, and I think they'll really benefit from continuous engagements until they're even able to become mentors themselves.
More skill sets you have, the better you are to empower yourself, empower your community, to leverage it for career or entrepreneurship. So really, we're looking forward to working with the youth to really support them in their dreams and ambitions.
For example, the author, Dr. Meshach Ndirango and Sophie and Jerry, who have the Career Choice book. Through the platform that they're going to come up with, the tool that they're going to have, we'll share this with the young people who have applied, at least for this program, so that they can at least know what they're good at in the workplace.
We are looking to build careers, also in a very dynamic world, where things are changing by the day. So how do we navigate through all that?
You must believe in yourself and in the dreams you have. Sometimes you look at people and you feel they're so accomplished, I could never do what they have done, I could never achieve what they have achieved.
Never discount anything you do. What does that mean? What you're doing here today, the networks that you're going to create here today, they mean something. Whatever you volunteer for, wherever you intern, or anything that you're doing in your life that is adding value to your skills, that matters, and you'll definitely use it at some point in your life.
Do you pursue opportunities that are beyond what is just visible to us? Yeah. Do you dream big?
The Tech Summit has enabled me to network with new people and be able to exchange ideas. It has also given me an opportunity to know that self-belief is very vital in someone's life. And also, it has given me an opportunity to see a sense of direction and see myself as a person who has, great value in the society.
I will take an opportunity just as soon as it comes up because I also believe I'm the best in what I do.
On problem solving, I've learned on how to develop good skills in communication, and being under the project management department, I'll be able to help my company.
We're in a very dynamic world where things are running rapidly, and if the youth are not included and made a part of the discussions on the very subject that matters to them, then in one way or the other, they'll be left behind.
We are happy that today we have over 60 youths in Mombasa coming here to learn more on tech opportunities, to enable them to learn and be able to sustain their lives through jobs creation. When we go back to Lamu with our youth from Lamu, they will hold meetings and trainings as what they have got from here and share with other members.
I think one of the biggest approaches that we've used for the Mombasa Summit is to be able to identify ways to supplement the employability program with more technical and soft skills to support the young people who are here to be able to access dignified work through this program.
My expectation was that the students will be able to gain their confidence so that they can be able to comfortably face the interview panel and be able to express themselves.
Ilionileta hapa ni kupata faida kutoka kwa Amref. Tumekuwa tumefunzwa habari ya CV na pia kufanya interview.
I've networked with my fellow students and some of the mentors, and later we'll do more communication and networking on the working field.
I've learned some things which I have to sharpen so that the moment I'm going there for job hunting, I'll be qualified and given the opportunity.
The workshop has been an eye-opener for me because for one, I've learned how to optimize my CV.
I've learned how to create my LinkedIn profile, which will help me professionally.
I learned that it's not always about getting the work done, but also with values such as integrity and problem-solving skills.
Now it's easier for me to get into employment because I now know where to look for, who to look at, and how to go into interviews. And I'm just like prepared for the job market now.
I'm at a point where I can now create my own CV, a good one that can sell me out there.
The session has been very interactive and educative. I've learned a lot about CV writing, a lot about employability. But I really hope in the future we'd have a session for entrepreneurs.
What remains is to fly high. I now have the wings.
I'd like to thank Amref Health Africa for giving us this opportunity to train the youth.
I'm proud to work with Amref because I got a chance to share with my fellow youths.
So in as much as you're working on your CV, your cover letters, also look at how can LinkedIn help you with your job search, with highlighting your skills, with connecting with people, because it's a really big tool in the industry, and it's a great way to grow your professional presence in the digital space.
My advice to young people is to show up, it's to give back, and it's to pay it forward, because only then will you recognize the growth that you've made and pat yourself on the back.
Don't wait until opportunities come to your door. Just step out, go and collect the opportunities and take the maximum advantage of each and every opportunity that you get.